Hi everyone, this is part 3 video for the snap utilized flood mapping with Sentinel-1 data. In this video, I will demonstrate the calibration processes of SAR image data from the previously subsetted two data products. So in this screen, you can see the two added the product, the subsetted the data from the previous videos. So with these two products, I will firstly make the speckle reduction. So for that, you need to go to this radar tab and then click this SAR utilities and then you can find this multilooking tool. So click and then you can see this dialog box for the multilooking. So firstly, you need to select this source product. So this would be the first image for the SAR data, and then also targeted product you need to save, assign the directory you need to save. So I will assign my directory for this kind of SAR data. So I will save on this Sentinel-1 data. That is my directory for that. And then you can see this another tab to see source bands with BH and BB, all the applicable the bands I will so make multilooking. And then you can see this number of range looks. So for here I will reduce some image the resolution with these number of ranges of looks. So this makes some decrease the resolution of this image data. Okay, so I will select with these three the multilooking range and then go back to on here. After that, click run. So after that, you can see this message with the red. So processing completed in 1 second. So that is completed one. Also, again, do not close this the multilooking the window. So after that, you can also make another image for this second images for the same job. You can also check with this number of multilooking. The range of this job would be 3. So I will make selection with the 3 and run. After that, I can simply get this kind of the multilooking the data for this one. And then you can see again this kind of the multi-looked the image, the different images for that. So if you open one of bands for this first image for the multi-looked one with amplitude BB image first. After that, if you open this 2020 August, the original band for the BB amplitude image, so this one would be the first one and this one would be multi-looked one. So if you compare with this tile horizontally button, after that, if you can see this kind of area. So in this case, I will uncheck this synchronize image views for that. So to compare the different resolution of the same areas. So if you zoom in for that, you can clearly see this kind of the different resolution with the multi-looked image. So this would be just used the range of 3, so maybe decreased. So you can close these two images and then just collapse all of these things. Okay? So based on that, I will make another calibration for the radiometric calibration. For that, you go to this radar tab and then go to this radiometric and click this calibrate. After that, you can see again this dialog box for the calibration. And firstly, I will check this multi-looked data for the 2020 August image. After that, the same location with this calibration. You can see after that you can also check processing parameters would be these two bands for that. So after that, I will calibrate, press with this run button. So after that, you can see already completed this kind of job, and you can simply check this 2021 data again for the same job. So you can check and then just run button with this kind of the calibration run dialog box. You can close this one. After that, I will see these two calibrated band images. So if you expand these bands, you can see this sigma naught BB bands you can find. If you open these two images with this double click, after that, if you see this evenly with the different tile, you can see this compared image for that. So on here, if you see this world view, you can see all the subset area for your area of interest. So this would be my area of interest. So if you will click this color manipulation tab, you can see this histogram with this band image pixel. Also, you can see this image's pixel. This would be very narrow range for this black the area for this kind of pixel. So you need to fix this kind of things. So for that, click this sigma 0, sigma not BB image with right click, and then you can click this linear 2 from DB. So if you click yes, you can make this kind of virtual images, so you can see more clearly see this kind of the distribution of these colors. Okay, after that again this kind of the another BB image, sigma not BB image. So after that click this linear 2 from DB. That spell linear to log-based the kind of the computation. So if you double click this kind of things, after that tile evenly to see this one, and then you can see this kind of newly added the tile. Also you can see this with this tile evenly button. After that, if you click this one and this one, you can see more evenly distributed for this kind of images. Okay, then I will close all of these images from the scene and collapse all of these. So now I will do another calibration process for the geometric calibration. For that, go to Layer tab and then go to this geometric and terrain correction with this Range-Doppler terrain correction. You need to click. After that, you can see this source product first. So I will select this 2020 August image first, and then the same save location. After that, this processing parameters, you can see these all the default one you can have. Also, you can see pixel spacing would be 30 meter resolution with this WGS 84 projection. So with that, I will click this run button for this geometric calibration. So after that, you can see this processed one. Again, I will also select 2021 April image, all the same, the default processing parameters. After that, I will click this run button again. Also, you can see this processed data, so you can close this one. At this point, I will open these bands. I will expand these bands. Also, this would be sigma, not the BB image. So I will again this right click to see linear 2 from decibel. So I will click this one. So I will make this. Also, this BB image. Also, I will make this decibel. After that, if you right click this one again, and then you can see this convert band image, just give virtual image to actual band image. So I will click this convert bands. After that, you can see this would be just band image, not virtual. Also, I will click this convert band. After that, on here, I will save this products. So, save products for this one as well as this one. Also, save products. So after that, if you open with double click this one, you can see this would be terrain corrected one. Also, if you double click another scene, for the same area, you can see this one. So I will see these two images with this tile with the synchronized one. So if you will close this kind of dam reservoir as well as this kind of the downstream areas of dam, so you can clearly see. And also this first image, 2020 August image, you can adjust some more distribution of this color. So I just moved this white one more, and also this one also I will change some range with the different colors. So you can again you can see all the processed image data with the 1 speckle reduction and 2 calibration for the radiometric and geometric calibrations I already developed. So in this video, I have made the SAR image required basic calibrations with speckle reduction using Snap Desktop, and I will continue to develop the last SAR processing required for the flood mapping with the next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.